Hello friends, today we are starting with the series of session on .NET Core, which is an open source free version available from the .NET, using which you can develop Windows mobile web application, websites, all sort of applications. So as you can see, the .NET framework core architecture. So you can have an operating system with Windows, Linux, or Mac. You can use any of the operating system. The new feature is it is come up with the core CLR, as you can see in the cursor. Core CLR has a feature that it's gonna work flawlessly on Linux, Windows, or Mac. You can also work with the .NET native APIs, right? So it's all there. And the .NET has come up with the .NET execution environment that's called DNX. You can execute or you can deploy your application on any of the operating system, right? So it's flawless. Uh, then we are having ASP.NET 5, which is currently known as ASP.NET Core 1.0, and you can use MVC or you can use Web API. The good thing is that you can use C Sharp, whether you are using the .NET Core or you are using the .NET Framework 4.6, and they are coming up with the new Visual Basic version soon, that is Visual Basic 14. So this is an architecture of .NET Core, which has a mainly two important feature that would like to concentrate on, that is the core CLR and DNX. Core CLR is for flawless execution of your machine code, and the DNX which provides you the interoperability within the operating systems. This architecture is especially for the ASP.NET Core 1.0. As you can see, the name is Core 5, but Microsoft has renamed it to a Core 1.0, right? So it is basically right now known as Core 1.0. Wherever you find ASP.NET 5 or Core 5, that is Core 1.0 itself, right? So this is the same architecture. As you can see, you can work with the ASP.NET application, or you can use with any Windows application, universal Windows app. So they have extended the newer version in the Windows as well. They have come up with the newer way of implementing the Windows app. So they are coming up with the new ideas in the Windows as well, right? So this is also the framework for, you can say, for ASP.NET Core and .NET Core, where you can get the installation details. So this is the URL, get.asp.net. Just go to this URL and hit this link, install instructions, where you can find the documentation for installing ASP.NET 5 on Windows, Mac, or Linux, right? So whether you are using Ubuntu Linux, whether you are using Mac, or whether you are using Windows, you can easily implement the ASP.NET 5 or ASP.NET Core 1.0 application. So you just simply hit the any of the link, and they have given all the steps that you need to follow. They are very simple steps, and you can install and get ready for development. They have provided the Visual Studio community version, so that is free of cost available. You don't need to pay anything, and it's a free license version. So I hope this video will be very helpful for you guys. Stay tuned. Happy learning. Thank you.